If you want to know how to buy shares of Eagle Financial Services, Inc., this video walks you through the exact steps. Eagle Financial Services, Inc. trades on NASDAQ under the ticker EFSI. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker symbol EFSI to find Eagle Financial Services, Inc. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for context. Double-check the company name and the NASDAQ ticker EFSI to confirm this is the correct stock. Press Invest. Choose the amount you want to buy, then review your order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or executed when trading resumes. If there are insufficient funds, the platform will request you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it from there. A link to the example broker is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown in this video.